Do you check your bank balance at the end of every month and go, wait, where did all my money go? If yes, this video is for you. These small, realistic habits can help you save money easily and increase your net worth over time. Habit 1. Act like you're broke. Ironically, acting broke can help you become rich. If you don't see the money, you're less likely to spend it. So hide it, put it in a fixed deposit, invest it in a mutual fund, or even send it to your mom's account. Just don't keep it lying in cash, inflation will eat it away. If you don't have any urgent expenses, just lock it away and act like you don't have it. When you feel tempted to make an impulse purchase or social situations are forcing you to spend it, just say I'm broke and move on. Habit 2. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Whether it's Netflix, Amazon Prime, Spotify, or some subscription you don't even remember, pause it or cancel it if you're not using it. Check your emails and bank statements to track your subscription. And if you find a subscription you've never seen before, call the company and get a refund. Subscriptions can be dangerous because you don't realize how much you end up spending in the long run. Even 4 monthly 500 rupee subscriptions add up to 24,000 rupees in a year spent on something you hardly use. Habit 3. Reduce your credit limit. Even if the bank gives you a high limit, you don't need to use it. Go to the card controls on your bank's app and reduce your credit limit to something around 20% of your monthly income. If you ever need to make a big purchase, you can increase it temporarily from your phone in minutes. This simple trick puts a mental brake on your overspending. Habit 4. Create an automated investment. Decide a fixed percentage of your income, say 30% of your monthly income, and set it up to be invested automatically. You can start an SIP in a low-risk mutual fund, say a passive fund tracking the Nifty index. Set it to deduct right after your salary comes in. That way, your investing happens first and expenses later. Your savings and investments should decide your expenses, not the other way around. Habit 5. Review your expenses. Stack this habit to something you already do, like after you get your morning tea, after you get home from work, or on the last day of every month when you're paying your credit card bills. Go through all the debit transactions in your statements. You don't have to cut the expenses immediately, just noticing them is fine. Over time, you'll become more mindful when spending because you know someone will review this later, even if that someone is you. Start with just 1 or 2 habits, you don't need to do it all at once. These small changes slowly reduce your unnecessary spending, build your assets, and improve your financial health over time. Saving money doesn't have to be hard, it just needs to be intentional. Happy saving, and thank you for watching.